Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Meowdoku running slow, laggy, or stuttering when you tap or swipe across the board? Here are 3 quick iPhone fixes that speed it back up. First, go to your settings app and then go to iPhone storage. Check the storage bar at the top. If your storage is nearly full, even a lightweight game like Meowdoku can slow down since it needs free space to load and cage puzzle board smoothly. Tap offload app on few unused apps to free up room quickly. Next, go to your settings app again, then scroll down to Meowdoku or just directly search for the app. Tap on the app once you find it and then make sure background app refresh is turned on. It helps the game stay partially loaded instead of starting from zero every time you open it. After that, close every other app running in your recent app list. Since background apps competing for memory is one of the most common of input lag in simple puzzle games, finally restart your iPhone completely since this clears temporary memory buildup that contributes to lag over long play sessions. So all you've got to do is free up your storage, turn on background app refresh, close other apps, Meowdoku will start to run smoothly again. Subscribe for more fixes.